a lot of pointers coming out of that loss, which they definitely would be adjusting similar to the other teams did.
Yayong will not score. Nitura has 29 markers to go along with 7 rebounds.
Ang number 1 supporter, si Nitura, itong si Nil Tolentino. Tumatayo kagad pagkatapos ng basket ni Nitura.
I think they play somehow similar. They want to defend, run the floor.
Yes.
Ayun yung sinasabi ko, magkaiba sila ng laro ni Cyrus. Si Cyrus is more of a guy that really is very flamboyant. As Nitura with 31 points.
No, you gotta be very proud of this guy right now. Seizing the moment. Yan ang mahalaga dito pa kay Nitura. You're giving that chance and you seize it. I mean, I feel you really could just imagine yung saya, the joy of the siblings, the parents included, to be seeing this kind of performance.
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. May pahabol ba si Anthony Mejia? Yayong with 2 more points.
By the way, before we end the coverage, I'd like to thank Anthony for helping us throughout.
Our best floor director.
Yeah.
Anthony with a red jacket.
Red jacket and a blue shirt inside.
Yes.
Faded jeans.
Bagets na bagets.
Oo.
Yayong pupuntos din para sa Rizal. And again, looking at the bigger picture, Rizal, syempre gusto nila na magkaroon ng deep playoff run para sa kanilang kupunan. And they have the tools, they have the personnel. It's all a matter of them, like you said, building the right habits.
Yes.
And peaking at the right time. Sometimes that's all you need, especially in a very loaded division in the South.
That is right. And again, hindi ka pwede magpakakumpiyansa. You still have a series of games that you need to play.